Do you know that if you have a great sleep, then you can take your fitness level on the next regime? Friends, there is something common between you and me that we all know the benefit of a good sleep. We all want to fresh wake up and we all want to wake up early. Friends, but it is not possible for few people. Those who has diabetes problem, those who has heart problems, those who has joint pains, maybe the morning are not fresh for them. That's why whatever kind of health we have today, we should give our gratitude towards our health. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about that what are the benefits of the good sleep. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their stubborn fat. I help them to achieve their dream personality. I give them the tools so that they can build their extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, sleep is the most important thing. I remember that when I used to watch movies late night, my mornings was not healthy or fresh. After watching a movie on Sunday night or Saturday night, usually my Monday starting of my office work was not easy. But the sleep is the most important thing. And as I tell you about the truth that the two things which I have adapted in my life, that I have quit the sugar and I have changed the timing of my sleep, and they both has impacted my life so much. Earlier I used to sleep after 11 p.m. but now I sleep between 9 to 10 p.m. and it has given me the most big changes in my life. Friends, in the same way you can also do. If you really want to have a good sleep, then you must sleep between 9 to 10 p.m. If you are sleeping after 10 p.m., then it is not a good habit. Today I will give you the reason about it, that why it is not. The number one thing is that if you're not going to take your sleep on the right time, then you're going to make your immunity quite weak. In this COVID situation, in this COVID pandemic, immunity is the only tool of the people which are giving them strength to fight this situation. And if you're going to break this strength by not taking proper sleep in your life, then you are uh, digging digging for your own death by not having a good sleep. That's why try to adapt a right schedule for sleep. Now the second thing which sleep provides us, the sleep is really benefits for the weight loss. Most of the weight loss, most of the muscle building happens while we sleep. That's why sleep is the most important thing. There are also supplements also for sleep, which usually bodybuilders or sports people takes so that they can have good sleep, so that in morning they can have the changes in their body. Now, but the main purpose of the sleep is that it balances our hormone. There is a hormone which is known as leptin. If we have a good sleep, then the leptin level is high, and leptin instructs to our mind that now our stomach is full, do not consume more food. But if the leptin level is low, then our mind has not getting instruction from the stomach that now we are full. That's why we are keep on eating. That's why have a good sleep. Now, the third and important point about the sleep, that it basically construct your mood. If you're not feeling fresh in the morning, then you can imagine that how you're going to start your day in your office. Everyday tasks, sales call, you need to face your boss, face the family, face the children. But if you're not going to, but your attitude is something different, but you're physically not able to cope up with the situation, then it is the problem. I used to face this thing after watching the late night movies. I was a salesperson. I was not able to meet my targets, not because I was not able to meet the customers, because I was not consuming, I was not feeling fit in my life. And the sleep is the most important thing if you really want to see some changes in your life. It doesn't mean that you sleep at 12 and you wake up at 8. It is not the key. The key is sleep between 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. to see the magic in your life. And these are the some of the 3 benefits which you can easily see once you even adapt yourself for the sleep. Friends, if you want to start your health routine, if you want to start your health regime, then I have created a 5-day WhatsApp classes for you, in which we are going to meet 7 a.m. in the morning and we are going to do some workouts. Beside all that, we are also going to talk about the diets, we are also going to talk about the mindset, so that you can have a next level of fitness in your life forever. Link I'm giving you in the description. If you resonate with any of this, if you connect with any of this, then I'll welcome you in my WhatsApp class. Friends, this is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness, and I'll see you on other side.